You know, sometimes there's scripts that have almost too much detail. This had the perfect amount of description, I don't know, I felt like I could relate with him, even though obviously I've never gone through anything like this, but like, I can relate with the guy who's like, you know, has a job he doesn't like, but he does it, and, you know, but then something happens and becoming adamant and nobody believing you, like, I don't know, it just felt real. So I played the character like it was really happening, like it was, you know, so rather than, I don't know, I'm talking in circles a little bit because I haven't really thought about it since we've done it, but it just, I don't know, it just worked. It worked really well. In my eyes, as the character, like, I can't believe nobody believes me. Like, I have evidence, I'm showing you, and everyone's like, dude, like, I don't know what you see. So throughout the movie, you don't know what to believe, who to believe. Do you believe me, or am I actually going crazy, you know, and I'm seeing things or whatever, so it's cool.